I didn't even realize it was raining. It wasn't coming down in buckets, but it was a sure, steady flow. I didn't even notice it was raining. There were more important things, tasks that required the utmost care. I didn't even see it was raining. But then again, it's been raining every weekend. Hello? Yeah, I can make it across town. Just give me a second. No, give me a second. It requires me to be there, right? Cool. Be right there. Yep. Nope. Thank you. Last Sunday, I was able to get out and go for a walk after the rain. But the sun had set by then, and there were mosquitoes. Today was supposed to be special. It was my anniversary. I had driven from a state to a Commonwealth, cross country. When I arrived in the Commonwealth, instead of going to my parents' house, I hung a left and drove to the town park instead. This time last year, around 2 p.m., it was warm and sunny. The nice, even 73 degrees. I grabbed my large outdoor pillow and blanket set I'd got on sale from Wally World and plopped my head down and took a nap surrounded by geese.
To be or not to be?
Today, there's no sun. It's a very cold 57 degrees, yet somehow still feels like it's 80, but it's still cold. The geese have made themselves scarce, except for a little family. Coincidentally, they're about the same size as the family I grew up in. There's 3 little ones and 2 parents. As I stand there, trying to figure out which one of them is the oldest, I can't help but feel a huge amount of existential dread creep in to my thought process. The courtship, relationship, move-in, proposal, engagement, marriage, settling in, then finally, maybe children. That whole process would probably take about 5 years. And I don't even have a partner, so this would have to be somebody that I would meet literally right now today, or tomorrow, or next week. And then 5 years later, kids. And sprinkling again. It rained really hard earlier this morning. Is it gonna get like that again? Is it even worth bringing kids into the world? Kids are expensive. Life is expensive. And I mean, aside from the fact, would I even be a good parent? It's just, can I afford that? I've gotten myself in an okay financial spot. It's not where I want to be by any stretch, but I'm at least balancing a budget at this point. I'm at least taking care of myself. But if I introduced a little human into the mix, never mind just completely skipping over a pet, like a dog or a cat, or even an exotic one like a turtle or a snake, we're just heading right into little human that I say or do the wrong thing and they turn into a serial killer. I don't know, that sounds pretty crazy. Especially if it was just